lane red lighted, y'all. So left lane with the wind. Right lane, they made a red light. Here go Bud Morgan. Okay. King of the nitrous button, y'all. Uh-oh. Right lane for the win. Golly, he ran a 5.0 on the money. He ran a 5.00 in the 5.00 class at 141 miles an hour. Golly, that's impressive. Okay, for my people watching on TikTok, y'all, I'm live on my YouTube channel, HD widescreen, Lookout Racing. So I got any model racing on there? Y'all, we at XRP. at 143 miles per hour takes the win, y'all. Jump, girl.
Look out, popped him in, made him take his hat off.
Yeah.
Hit him in his ass.
Yeah.
Made him take his hat off.
He getting hot. He getting hot.
Made him take his hat off.
Yeah, you need to. You gotta let his head breathe. You got him steaming. You got him steaming. Got that head steaming. Yeah.
Knock his, hey, you have to take his hat off.
Yeah.
Boom. It's been, hey,
Yeah.
been fucking him up.
All night?
All night.
God damn, man.
Last 30, 40 minutes.
30, 40 minutes.
30, 40
He paying your rent yet or just a bill?
Light bill.
Light bill. Oh, got the.
On the rent now.
Yeah, we working on the rent now. Okay.
No, you don't.
Oh, he a pain free. Yeah. Yeah.
Pain do pay off.
Yeah. Pain pay off.
Don't forget that pain do pay off.
Hey, y'all.
You'll laugh now, but you'll probably.
He can't shoot me though.
Yeah.
See, the pain, what he talking about in the car wreck or something.
Yeah.
I've been tying his ass up.
Yeah.
Tell him to get it low.
Wait when that
He
pain
tried
come
to
in.
shoot me.
Wait when that pain come out. He ain't gonna go ooh no more.
Yeah. Ain't no more boom. Ain't no more boom. Okay. They talking about Funky Town booming all night.
Boom.
God
All
damn.
night.
How many times, man?
Hey, man, he
Y'all
like
better
pain,
watch.
though.
Y'all better watch. I see you got your boy.
Pain too.
Yeah, there you go right there. Yeah, he know how to pay all the rent.
I guarantee you gonna nice on when he gonna be one of them damn pampers.
Yeah.
I've been fucking him.
Yeah, he like to pay all your rent. Yeah.
He like
I
pain.
won 20, I lost 20.
You ain't beat me though. What about more something?
We say this every weekend.
Yeah.
Do not double park
No,
in the
you
handicap.
fucking You're
Yeah.
pain free.
Yeah.
Hey,
Look.
he's pain free.
Yeah.
He don't even know he getting pain.
Yeah.
He just doing this.
Yeah, he
He
just-
don't know why.
Yeah, he just going in his pocket and shit.
Hey, just make sure that he getting his victory right now.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna be
It ain't gonna be
like that.
You
like.
gonna quit before I do.
Yeah.
You gonna quit. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? Look
Yeah.
out.
What?
I ain't gonna point. Cause he been watching.
Oh, okay.
I thought
You
he-
gotta let him pick his own car,
I'm gonna
man.
let him pick his own.
Yeah.
He been watching me when I